So I currently have a A05. You can hear that it is making a song when I plug the charger in. So this one have the black screen issue. This one have the black screen after update. So sometimes it's a bit hard to get it into download mode because the screen is black. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to try a technique. At the moment I do have my tripod here, but I will have to restart the phone and hold the volume down and the power button while plugging in the charger to get this in download mode. When it shows up in download mode, you will see the shaded area here light blue. So I'm going to try and put this in download mode now. So guys, the phone is now into download mode. You can see that it is showing here. What we need to do, we need to know the part number for the phone. That's the PDA number, and I will have to use another software in achieving this before we go ahead and flash the phone. We need to know what version file is on this phone, so that's what I am going to check now. So guys, I'm just checking the specs on the phone, and it's S9, so you need to flash the phone on version 9. So guys, I'm about to flash. I have all the files loaded in, and also so guys, I had to replace the charging port because the charging board with the port, because I was getting some connection issue and we can't see on the phone to tell anything. So guys, what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to start. Once the file match the system, you will see that the flash actually started here. If there's something that is wrong, like if you have the wrong file, it will fail. So this will take a few minutes actually. As you can see, it started and the phone screen is still black. So guys, as soon as this is about to finish, I will resume the video, so you will see exactly what's happening here. But this is how you're going about fixing the black screen after update with your Samsung Galaxy A05. So guys, as you can see, so far so good, and it actually will take a few minutes. Yeah, it will take a few minutes. I think it's almost 10 minutes now, and as you can see, the phone screen is still black. But as soon as the flash is completed and you will see pass, then the phone will light up. So we are almost finished, and as soon as you see this is completed, so we're almost there, right? So this is how you know your phone is fixed. So as you can see, the phone screen lights up, and that's how you fix the black screen issue after update. And the phone is back to normal. So yeah, if this was helpful in some way, let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, like, share and subscribe.